Okay, so this is the old shock. It's already separating at the top, that rubber piece. And these shocks from FCP Euro. You can see same part number. So for the left and the right side. It's a universal fit. Either you go put this on the left or put this on the left. It's alright. Okay, I just took off the screw up here. But one way you can tell if a shock is bad is you do a test. Just take this, put it up, and press it down. It should go back up if it's a good shock. Let's see. I'll press down on it. We see it expand back. It's not doing anything. Let's try this now. This side. Press down on it. Oh, it's hard. Which one? That's the difference. Once these shocks go in, you're gonna have a nice ride.